including the blessings of nature and the celebration of the people and animals that came long before us. We hope you really enjoy your journey and that you have a very Merry Christmas.
We were at her cabin. It was right down the road from here. And she'd gather us around the fire to tell stories for hours. I'm back in the Ozarks for the holidays, and gosh, tonight really takes me back to those evenings by the fire. What do you say? Want to hear a few stories as you take a ride in highways or Christmas trees and electric lights? Before Table Rock Lake had even been created, before human feet ever walked upon this, giant, short-faced bears towered as tall as a house, and the canopies of trees were filled with birds, squirrels, and insects. So, are you ready to meet the ancient Ozarks? You know, the night sky reminds me of one of my grandmother's favorite stories to tell. It's the creation story of the Osage. There are as many versions of this story as there are storytellers. Here's the one I know. These spirits from the stars decided that they needed to come down to the earth and become a people. So they set out for some help. They went to the sun and the moon for advice. They went to the stars. Now you can see we're not in the sky anymore. Remember the spirits from the stars who were searching for a place to become a people? Well, led by the eagle, the spirits from the stars floated down to the earth and landed in the treetops, finding the rest of the earth covered in water. That made him so happy that he rolled around on the new land with joy. As he rolled around, the fur on his back rubbed off onto the land and the new land. The spirits couldn't believe the earth decided to form one nation. They became a tribe with two equal halves in perfect balance with each other and all creation around them. It's my job to tell the stories to all the kids around the fire. We always have a big bonfire in the backyard. My Uncle Jim, a new star, shining bright, announcing the birth of someone very special, so very far away.
Happy that you took some time to join us, to be thankful for our blessings this holiday season, thankful to our Creator, thankful to God for the natural beauty of this incredible land. As we come to an end, I'm proud to remind everyone of my favorite quotes from Chief Seattle. We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. Young people truly are our future, and we owe it to them to set an example to protect nature and preserve it for future generations to come. Sure hope you had a happy time. Most of all, very Merry Christmas.
I said, hallelujah, feels like Christmas. You can't tell me that Christmas gets better than this. No, you can't. Caught up in the spirit, if you couldn't tell, the moment that I saw you, I heard carol of the bells. The angels were singing as the snow gently fell. I said, hallelujah, feels like Christmas. Been waiting my life long. Hey, 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 Santa's on his way. Ho, 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 where's the mistletoe? 'Cause the only thing missing is you. and the cross right off my lips. I said, hallelujah, feels like Christmas, you can't tell me